Cam and Peter visiting the beer festival in Brazil. We met up with Alex at Agraria.
Here we are at the Brazilian Beer Festival in Bloomingdale. Allow me to introduce you to Alexander, who recently just won bronze in the national craft beer competition for his Kolsch. Alex, run us through your beer.
Yeah, actually, it's an easy drinkable beer. The good thing about Kolsch is you can drink like a lager and it's an ale.
True to that, absolutely. Yeah. So cheers to that. And Alex, are you willing to share your recipe with us?
Yeah, it's a pleasure to share the recipe. Why not? Like, man, good beer. It doesn't have mystery about it. Like, just make you get the recipe. You brew it and take care of fermentation, and everything goes right. And if you take care about fermentation, everything goes right.
So keep an eye out on the Grainfather Community. We're going to try and get Alex up there on a profile and get his beer on there so we can share it with the rest of the community. Now, Alex, give us a bit of background around Agraria's business and what you do for Agraria.
Yeah, I'm technical support at Agraria. I help the breweries in Brazil to brew better beer, and Agraria is a cooperative of Germans in Brazil, and we are the biggest malting company here also. We malt base malts, Pilsner, Vienna, Munich and Pale, and we also supply some other lots of special malts in the country. Yeah.
Awesome. So here's to the award and the Kolsch. Awesome meeting you, Alex, and look forward to seeing you in the future and maybe working together and seeing your recipe online.
Yeah, and drinking Kolsch again.
Agraria are one of the biggest malting companies in Brazil. They're based in the centre of Brazil, and they're in a German settlement. It was settled by Germans that came out from after the war. They also represent environment, and you've got a fantastic reputation in the market here. Great guys to meet up with and spend some time with.